The trial date for a former Rocky Ford police officer has changed.
James Ashby was charged with second-degree murder last October. KRDO News Channel 13's Angelica Lombardi is live from the Otero County Courthouse with the very latest. Good afternoon.
John and Brittany, there was much anticipation in the courtroom this morning, but the motions hearing actually didn't go as long as expected. Now, you'll recall back in February, former police officer James Ashby, he pled not guilty to charges against him in the death of 27 years old Jack Hawkes from last October. Now, this morning, Ashby and his attorney, they filed for a right to a speedy trial. So that means that the trial has now been pushed back to January 11th of 2016. And the judge said that trial can last for about 3 weeks long. Now, Jack's family was in the courtroom today, and they did agree to that motion in court. You could tell that they were not too happy about it, but they did agree to it happening. Now, we did speak to Jack's best friend earlier today, who said it's just part of the process.
It was just more of the judicial system of how it runs and how it works. Nothing bad or anything. Figured this was probably going to happen.
Now, a lot of Jack's family was in the courtroom this morning again, and they did not want to go on camera, but I did speak with them, and they did say that they just want justice to be served. Now, this has been a lengthy process. This all dates back to October of 2014, and now there have been several different reports of exactly what happened that night. Now, you'll recall that Ashby initially said that Hawkes was a burglar armed with a bat, so he followed him into his home, where he later allegedly shot him twice in the back. Now, Hawkes' mother was home at the time when all of this unfolded. Autopsy reports later revealed that the shots were in the back of Hawkes'. Now, this is the first Colorado police officer to face charges for an on-duty shooting in more than 20 years. Again, though, that trial date has been moved back to January of next year. Reporting live, Angelica Lombardi, KRDO News Channel 13.